Hi guys, I hope that you're doing fine. Once again, is here your teacher Jaime. Today we're gonna have a really interesting topic because we're gonna continue with the section one, which is about professionalism and speech. So today we're gonna try to speak about future expectations because when you are in your personal, like professional area, you usually have to speak about the future. What are in this case your assumptions and expectations? Okay, so. Let's go ahead and start first with the presentation. In the first, as I mentioned to you, the name is going to be working on your professional speech, and the topic is going to be future perfect and future continuous. Okay, future perfect is really similar to what we understand from like have and the verb in past participle, and future continuous is similar to present continuous. Okay, so if you keep that structure, it's going to be really easy for you. Okay. So the objectives. The first objective is going to be use the future perfect and continuous to speak about future expectations or possible assumptions. And also we have speak about possible scenarios in the future. Both are going to be the objectives that we have for today's class. And we're going to try in this case to understand with these examples. Here we have a question that is really important. How do you see yourself in 5 years? Okay. In this question, we have a lot of expectations. We might think about, I don't know, maybe how I'm going to be economically speaking, how I'm going to be professionally. So read the questions, sorry, read the sentences, and I want you in this case to tell me what do you think is different between them. Okay. So I'm going to give you like 20 seconds for you to read them and then you can explain me. Okay. All right, perfect. So maybe you noticed, maybe you didn't notice, but we're gonna try in this case to check with the second like slide, right? In the second slide, we notice that some of them are finished and some of them are in progress. No, what is gonna happen? Let's go ahead and start with something that is finished. Okay, I will have bought my house. The first thing that you need to know is that this will is gonna be essential. Why essential? Because this is going to be what it gives the idea of future, no? And if you notice here, this part is part that we usually have in past perfect or in this case present perfect, something that we already you know how to use because this is an advanced level. I know that you totally understand that. So in this case, what is the idea of this sentence? The idea of this sentence is that, for example, in 5 years, by the time, like today is 2023, no? In 5 years is 2028. In any time of these 5 years, we have do this activity. What is the activity? To buy the house. So it's finished. In that case, we use something that we call future perfect. All right. Next one, we're gonna have here a sentence with an structure that we already know, and this structure is gonna be present continuous. Now, what is gonna be present continuous? If you use it in present, always is gonna be progress. So if you use it in future, it's also progress, okay? So she will be working as an English teacher. So what happened? She's an English teacher. And in 5 years, for example, I'm 26. So in 5 years, I think that I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing, So I'm not gonna change my job. So I will be working as an English teacher, something that starts from today and is gonna continue in progress in the future. Okay, when you buy a house, the process of buying a house is not gonna be 5 years, but when you have a profession, the profession is something progressive. Okay, let's go ahead and read the next sentences. We have gotten or gotten a 9 in my IELTS exam is something that you get just once. And next one, they will be traveling to Spain as they have planned in progress. It's something that is going to be in progress. Okay. Good. You understand the grammar because it's really easy. Will, present perfect, and then present continuous. Remember that for this present continuous, we use be and then the verb in participle, in gerund, sorry. And that's what it's gonna be. To understand a little bit better, I have here a timeline that we can use. And here we have, I will have bought my house. I decide that in 2023, I am in my normal life. In 2026, yes, the day that I bought the house. So what happened? in 2028, between 2028 and 2023, something happened, and fact happened, or something specific happened. And that is really, really important for to understand with future perfect. Is something specific, something like that has a specific date, okay? And that's when in this case we use it when something is finished and is specific. And now we have another example with future continuous. And future continuous, if you noted, I will be teaching English. So today I am a teacher. Continue teacher, 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 teacher. Until 2028, I continue being a teacher. So I will be teaching English. If someone right now tell me, a teacher, do you think that you will change your job or you will change in this case your profession in the next 5 years? I will say, no, I won't, you know? So it's going to be something progressive because it's not a result. Maybe if I think about a result, for example, exams, or I speak about buying a house, something that you do only once, in that case, I'm going to use continuous, okay? Right, guys. So I want you in this case to work a little bit. This is going to be homework and it's going to be quite easy. What happened? Here we have different categories. We have family and friends, job and professions and aspirations, live plans, houses, studies, politics, economics, or the environment. So I want you in this case to create by each of these specific like categories 3 sentences using these beautiful, beautiful structures to speak about your professional life and your life expectations. For example, my family will be traveling to Spain next year, you know? So it's something that we're gonna do for a long time and it's gonna be in progress, you know? Or for example, I will yeah, I will have had a baby, you know? So you only have a baby once, so it's gonna be something that finished, okay? So I hope that you can make this sentence. I hope that you can send me in this case this homework as soon as possible. Remember that at the beginning of this course, I already sent you the link of my email. So send me in this case your results, send me in this case your task resolved, and that will be great, okay? So I hope that you have a great day, guys. Bye bye. Take care.